Hi, and welcome back to Hacker101. In this session, we're going to be talking about unchecked redirects. You may have found this kind of bug in level 4, but understanding why it's important is critical. An unchecked redirect is when a web application performs a redirect to an arbitrary URL outside the application. In level 4, the from parameter on votes and deletes allows an attacker to redirect to any arbitrary site. When people see this, they often react with, "Why does this matter?" This bug can look totally useless for an attacker, a mere inconvenience for users. But what if, despite it being a terrible idea, a page is using the referrer header to check authorization? A simpler scenario, though, is phishing. An attacker creates an identical clone of your site, but instead of authenticating against your database, she just dumps login credentials to a file and redirects back to the legitimate site. With an unchecked redirect, an attacker could send victims a link to your site, which then sends them to the phishing site. Unless the victims look at the post redirect link, which could look very similar to the real one, they'll never notice the problem. In terms of finding these bugs, anytime you see a redirect, look to see where the destination actually comes from. Often they will come from a user session in a way that isn't exploitable. But if it's coming from the client in an unsafe way, for instance, as part of a post, you may have an exploitable case. The mitigation of these bugs is simple but easy to get wrong. One way to fix unchecked redirects is to not allow protocol specifications in the destination. That is, remove instances of http:// and the like. That means that at worst, the redirect will end in a 404 on your site. Another, better way to solve this is to do away with getting the redirect destination from the client directly at all. Construct the URL on the server based on, for example, a destination ID. Level 4 is a good example here. After voting on or deleting a post, it could return to the post from which it originated by using the ID numbers. This is a far safer and less complex route. As always, thanks for watching and happy breaking.